Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Rizky Algibisma Ramadan and I am a student of informatics. Today I am very excited to present my final project. The title is Development of a Simple Web-Based To-Do List Application. Okay, before I dive into the technical details, let me tell you why I choose this project. As an informatics student, our lives are full of coding, complex assignment, and logic. Sometimes we focus too much on complex things and forget the simple ones, like buying groceries, attending a meeting, or even simple daily tasks. That it's why I believe a to-do list a small project, but it has a very big impact on our productivity. Okay, and next slide. Okay, now let's talk about the problem. We live in an era of information overload. We have so many things to remember, and unfortunately, our brain RAM is limited. We often forget our assignment or deadlines because we don't have a good system to track them. Manual notes or paper are not effective anymore because they are easy to lose and not always with use. We need a digital solution that is lightweight, fast, and reliable to keep our minds focused on the work, not on remembering the list. Okay, in the next slide. Okay, this is to build this application. I use Power Trio of web development. Want to explain my each part is very important. The first, I use HTML. Think of it like the foundation or the skeleton of a house. Without HTML, we cannot have the input box, list, and button. The headers or the buttons that you see on the screen, it provides the structure. Okay, in the second, for the design, I did not want it to looking or messy. I use a minimalist color palette to make it a friendly, like a minimalist UI. I use CSS. Okay, when you are stressed with many tasks, you want to see a clean website, right? It helps reduce cognitive load. Okay, in the third, this JavaScript. This is the heart and the brain. It's what makes the website live. I spend a lot of long time make sure the logic works perfectly, so the buttons react instantly when you click off them. Okay, in the next slide, flowchart. Okay, now please look at this flowchart. Want to explain the logic flow of my app step by step. The first, look at the start of file, the top when a user types input task and clicks add. The system performs validation. Look at the diamond. Shape here. It asks, is the input empty? If you accidentally click add without typing anything, the system is smart enough to detect it and will return to the input state. It says, hey, you forgot no type your task. However, if the input is not empty, the app will process. It will render the task onto your screen immediately, and most importantly, save it the local storage. This logic ensure that the application is efficient and user friendly. And okay. I want to emphasize the local storage part because this is a very important technical feature. Local storage is a web API that allow use to save data directly in the user browser. It is different from a big database like MySQL. It's much faster for the small productivity apps like this. The best part is even if you close your laptop, refresh the browser, or turn off your computer, your list is still there when you come back. This shows that we can make a very useful app without a complicated or expensive backend system. Okay, and the feature of this app focus on the three core action: add, markdown, and delete. You can any task instantly. You can mark it as completed, which gives you a very satisfying feeling and progress. And you can delete it when the task is no longer needed. Everything is designed to be responsive, meaning you can use it comfortably on your laptop or your smartphone. Okay, in the last slide, conclusion. Okay, conclusion, this project taught me that informatics is not just about complex code. It's about solving real life problems. This app is simple, but it is a powerful tool to help people stay organized and productive. In the future, I hope to develop this feature by adding features like deadline notification or category tags. That's it, is all for my presentation. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.